All right. What is up, people? I pre-pooed my hair, so I'm about to take me a good old shower. But first, I'm about to do a detox scrub on the body. So I'm gonna wet myself down, and then I'm gonna put the scrub all over the body, and let it sit for a minute or so, and then wash it off. So this is how I'm making mine. So this is a container I use to mix some MSM and some coconut oil, and I just want to use this up because it's really not much in there. So we just get everything out. So I can get rid of this container. If you don't know what MSM is, look it up. It's a long word. So I have that, and then of course I'm gonna put me some turmeric up in this body scrub. Ooh, I'm taking out the dust. And a couple good scoops of that in there. And this is the package I found at where was I? Oh, at Burlington. And I bought 2 of them because I use a lot of turmeric. And like I said, and this was only $5.99. And I already filled my 2 McCormick turmeric containers up. I'll set you up here on the windowsill. Let's stir this a little bit. So we start making us a little paste. And I'll let you see this. I might not have to add any more coconut oil. But then again, I may. MSM is really good, especially if you've lost a lot of weight. I mean, you got all that skin hanging. So I got me some. So yeah, I think I need to add some more coconut oil. Because, yeah, there's going to be a lot of body. Got to cover my whole body. This is Epsom salt. This is eucalyptus scented. Usually when I do a detox, I do it as a bath. Yeah. This is what it's looking like so far. I guess I should have done it in a clear bowl for you. It's getting nice and pasty. I would use sugar, but I think my body would go on the sugar, and then that would mess up everything. And then this is sea salt. Yeah, no, I don't have, no. Don't ask me for measurements. I don't know why you want. Okay. What was the measurements? They ain't got no measurements. Just making it thick and pasty like and things. And you know those little scrubby gloves? I'll use those, you know, when I'm ready to scrub it off. But I'm just going to use my hands to put it on. So it'll be all over. I'm going to definitely put it on my tummy area. I just need a detox. Mind, body, and soul, baby. So this is, my mind and body's good. My mind and soul is good. We working on the body. We got lots to do. Lots to do. I think I'll put some more Epsom salt in here because I need to make sure it's a nail. I'll just use up the rest of the package. You be out there in the woods and things be biting on you and you don't know. Like I came home, I saw it where something had bit me right here. And it was like, you know, I could see where it had broke the skin. I don't know what the hand biscuits it was. That's the other thing. It's the mysterious critter thingies. gonna let you see it. Let me see. Can you see it? It's pretty thick. And I'm going to use all of this. I'm not trying to make to save it. I need to use all of this. Because paper. But that's it. Sea salt, Epsom salt, turmeric, and coconut oil. Boy. And I will drop some tea tree oil. I didn't bring that in here with me, but I will put some tea tree oil in here as well. I'm definitely a believer in tea tree oil. No. You won't get to see that part. Just get that out your mind. All right. Now I'm going to go make myself yellow-orange. Now, can you see that? Let me see. Maybe if I move this out the way. Because I propped it up so you can see the bowl a little bit. Let me see. Hopefully, I won't. If I waste it, it's going to be your fault. Let me see. Let me do it like this. There it is. All right, good. All right. So now I'm going to go take care of that. Oh, I'm about to drink me 30 ounces of water. I'm going to do that first. And I may need to drink a little bit more. And then, while I'm waiting for all this to sit for about a good minute or two, I'll be drinking my water. All right. So, see you later. All right. So, what I want to say is this is a messy kind of thing going on in here. So, you just have to know everything is going to be yellow. So, there's a foot. But definitely, I'm drinking my water too. Just wanted to show you.